Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage auto updates for games in Steam. To do this, first you will need to right click on the game in your library, navigate to properties and then enter the updates. Right here you can find automatic updates and switch between always keep this game updated, only update this game when I launch it, high priority, always auto update this game before any others. Also, if you want to revert to different version of the game, you can sometimes find it in the betas right here and switch your participation right there. And a great example would be the Rim World. So when we enter our properties, go for the beta, we can change into old versions. And for some games it might be not available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.